Second aspect of your managing career is that how to drive change, because change is required. If you are maintaining the status quo, it is not called the success. Many peoples in the organizations, they are advocating to change, and for that they are organized. Many companies are organized the training to self improvement, to personal development, to understand what change is required. We in this context we have to understand that ability to spot change and ability to execute change, it is more important. Everyone advocating, but it should, they should understand, yeah, they should be tell that what is the means, how can we identify the spot of the change and how will execute the change. That is the more important. In this graph, in the in the x side, it is telling about the how much you spend in the in the particular organization, your time in role, yeah, in company. And in the y side, it is telling about that ability. See, in the curve, ability to execute the change, ability to spot the change, this is the two curve. And once you in the early in your life, the ability of spot change is very high, which is indicating on the y side. But in the same times, the ability to execute change is very low. Once you become the older in the company, and your ability to execute change is very high, but same times the ability to spot change, identification of your spot of change is very low. So how it is very a dilemma, because how you manage the execute the change, it is more important. We have to understand that ability to spot change. Ability to spot is change means once you are in the new in these organizations, and you can see the big pictures without getting lost in the details, and because you have fresh eye, and you do not emerge in any activity, yeah, any project, yeah, any two three dimension of the problems, because you are totally new. And second point is that ability to execute change. Execute the change, it means that you have the good understanding of your organization and its cultures. And once you become the old in your system, it means that you have to develop the personal good relationship with the employee, and you have credibility with the all key entity, all stakeholder who will enable the change, and sometimes who will participate it. So my dear friend, what should be your strategy? Implement application of your get better for leveraging the strong and weakness area. See, in the early stage, there is some strong area is that you have ability to identify the change. So you in the once you in the new in your company, you have to write down your immediate plan, short term plan, long term plan in your diary. This is the one strategy. Second is that once you in the new in the company, but your ability to execute, ability to identify change is very high. So how can you overcome the weakness what you have, that ability to execute change is very low in the early stage? You can leverage from your boss, from your old team members who are very old in the system, who can execute this change. So in the early stage, what you can do, that you have to write down of your planning. And second is that you take the support of your boss to execute the change. And second means application, second strategy is that once you are in the mature stage, it means that in the maturity stage, ability to spot change is very low, because you emerge in many problems, many activity, many project. Same times you are doing the multiple job, and your priority to improvement and giving job giving result is very high. So sometimes you forgotten what you have seen in the early stage when you are the new in the company. So it will be helpful if you what you have written down in the diary, your short term, your immediate plan, your long terms. You go through the diary what you have identify the spot of change you can do. And because once you become the old in the system, you have the good relationship with HRs, your seniors, your management, your synergy teams, and take confidence to all stakeholder and execute the change. But in the maturity stage, you have in the you are unable to identify the spot of change. But in this situation you can do that, you recruit some employee in your team members who just joined from the other institute, and ask that, identify the spot of change for job profile for the company. So because they can emerge with the fresh eye, they do not emerge in the many problem, they have fresh eye, so they can give the better idea and better identification of the spot of the change. So my dear friend, in the early stage, in the maturity stage, you have to understand what need to what is the how you identify the spot of change and how can you execute the change. This is the more important, and in this way you can manage your career, because changing is required as per the as per changing of doing the business. Nowadays client based solution, client based product is being the influence in our market. We are not living in the industrial age, we are not living in the information age, we are living in the social age, where we have to understand client requirement, client need. We have to develop the product as per the knowing the client requirement. We cannot make any product where we can sell forcefully to the client, because suppose I am giving the example of nowadays the if you want to buy the cars in the industrial stage, there was some limited model, and you have to go your vendors, your dealer, they will show that 2-3 variety of a car, you have to select. And this is what the industrial stage. In the information stage, what they are telling about, they have the booklet, you have to identify what you require. There are variant color of your auto car. You have variant choice options, diesel, whether you want to diesel या petrol या gas, semi models, automatic या manuals, semi manual. So these are different choice. But nowadays the time is coming after 10 years or 20 15 years, then you tell the choice of your car, which type of your car you want, and before buying you communicate your choice, and then manufacturer will respect your choice and they will design car as per your requirement. So this time is coming in our life. So we have to see this changing is going to happen, and we have to identification this changing in every sectors, and we have to plan accordingly. So changing drive change is very required to managing your career, to success in your career life. Thank you very much.